Hi, I am Wenjin Chu. I'm going to present our paper on decentralized approach towards responsible AI in social ecosystems. AI-powered services are increasingly becoming an integral part of our work, public policy, and daily lives. It is therefore crucial that we effectively tackle the responsible AI challenges such as biases, fairness, privacy in these systems that have such enormous impact. In this study, we take a socio-technical perspective, where technical systems such as web and social media powered by AI are deployed in social systems, and they intimately interact. Past research focused on AI algorithms yielded valuable results, for example, in areas of privacy and fairness, but also exposed inherent limitations due to the methodology failure to take social context into account. From the other direction, government regulations like GDPR are examples of regulating from social systems perspective. These regulations are functionally has yet to prove to be effective, and they are also searching for efficient way of having the desired impact on the technical systems. So in this work, we take a integrated approach to seek a method that optimizes the joint objective of both technical and social systems, and that is yet efficient and scalable over the entire internet. We take inspirations from classical socio-technical studies on how new technologies are adopted in social contexts. These studies yield the key concepts of agency, regulation, and incorporating both institutions. We need the digital forms of such concepts. To start, we model a social ecosystem to encompass both the technical components and the participants, shown here as users, both as sources of data and also recipients of the AI system's utility. For the technical components, we include the learning algorithms, the learned models, software, and inferences by the deployed models. This framework then immediately suggests two areas of possible intervention mechanisms, and they are agency and regulation. Work in diverse fields of study has shown the power of these two concepts. They are in social sciences, public policy, self-sovereign identity, and decentralized finance. Similarly, studies on data transparency, accountability, recourse, etc. showed their strengths as well. So to summarize, we reason in these steps. Digital rights requires autonomous digital identity. Digital identity requires a decentralized public infrastructure. And institutionalization requires digital trust among peers. And then based on that peers, we can, based on the trust, among peers, we can then reach agreement, have compliance, organize institutions, and formulate regulations, and so on. So next we're going to outline the design of such a system. In this section, we'll have a lot of technical concepts we cannot properly introduce. Please refer to the paper for references. First step is decentralized identifiers. They give us autonomous digital ID, and please refer to the work of the DID working group at the World Wide Web Consortium, or W3C. Next, verifiable credentials enable DID subjects to make claims and verify claims without a central clearing system. Again, please refer to the work of the VC working group at the W3C. Next, a collection of VCs constitute identities. By combining VCs in different ways, we may create various personas. These claims can then be presented for any interactions between parties and independently verified without a central clearing system. Here, shown as zero-knowledge proof, is just one example of many such practical algorithms. Next, a simple protocol shown here allows credentials parties to reach and sign binding agreements. Similarly, auditing can be largely automated because claims can be automatically verified. Free market choices represent a profound mechanism of regulating enterprises and their market behavior on behalf of consumers and the overall industry as a whole. Portability enables such free market mechanisms. Finally, here's all the types of rules that can be realized in the proposed system, including institutional rules, for example, who can make what type of credentials and how, market rules, for example, portability and antitrust, and supply chain rules, for example, auditing, quality control, and anti-discrimination. Let me share our conclusions and main contributions. One, we propose a socio-technical framework to model AI use. Two, we identified two types of effective mechanisms, agency and regulation. These mechanisms require a decentralized multi-stakeholder system as a common infrastructure. And we show by a practical design that a system is both feasible and effective. Thank you.